What's up, everybody? So today I've been having this issue for a while. Sometimes my truck would start, sometimes it wouldn't, but today is a good day to show you guys. So I'm cranking it and it's not even starting at all. I get no beeps, no clicks, no nothing at all, nothing. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Okay, so I came to the passenger side of the truck, so I'm just gonna give the starter a little tap. So if I hit it, if I tap it and it works, then it's the starter going bad. Let me try it out. All right, let's try it out. Oh, there goes our problem right there. Starter's bad. Having this issue for a while, so today I'm gonna be installing my starter. And here's my new one. I'll put the link down in the description below for you guys to purchase it. But I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the first step, remove your positive wire to your battery. Took mine off, I just pushed it to the side. So I'm underneath the truck and I got two 14mm bolts here. I'm gonna take them off. One here and one here. Let me take that off for you guys real quick, one sec. All right, guys, so here's a little trick. I used a long bar to like break the bolts, and then you can slide it out easy. All right, so this is the new one. Here's the old one to take off. You're gonna use an 8mm for the little one right there, and then 13 for the bigger ones. But you don't need to take this one off. You just gotta take the one that's on the truck, the wire harness. Then basically put it back on the same way you took it out. And then I might not use this, might just keep it the original ones, but you can use the new one that comes with one. But I'm gonna install it now. All right, guys, so this is the new starter installed. Double check everything. We'll go ahead and give it a shot. Tighten down the bolts. Put the wires back together. Everything looks good. Double check your work. We'll test it. Okay, so I connected my battery back. Close the hood. See if my truck starts. And man, that shit starts fast. That sounds a lot more like more power, more faster, everything. Yep, so there goes, guys. That's how you replace your starter.